What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be answering a few of the questions that one of my students had inside of Living Unchained, and I thought those answers would be very helpful for you guys as well. So the first question that he was asking me was like how to shift your mindset into the mindset that you need in order to create your dream reality. And then number two is how to take the move and make the move to like where you actually want to be. Like for example, he wants to come out here to Bangkok, Thailand and live the life of his dreams. And then number three is how to cut off the negative influences, the people that are holding you back from the dream life that you want. So first off, we're going to go over the first question, which is how to shift your mindset into where it needs to be to create your dream life. So to break it down very simply, you need to destroy the old self, the old way of living, and to create a new way of living and a new set of habits and inputs that you're putting into the world, because all reality is input, output. So the reason you're not where you want to be right now is because you're putting the wrong inputs in. You're either giving into vices, you're not doing the right inputs, and you're not doing the right things in order to get back what you truly want. So what I mean by that is, let's just say my reality right now, the life I'm living right now, being able to travel the world, making $20,000 a month online with remote sales. The person I was 2 years ago would never be able to achieve this lifestyle. He would never be able to maintain it and truly live the life that I'm living right now, just because he gave into too many vices. He never had the right disciplines, the right non-negotiables. He was just basically just jerking off all day. So I had to kind of kill that old version of me and create a new version of me that would be able to actually live the life of my dreams. And that just means finding what vices I have, cutting them out, finding what new habits and new non-negotiable tasks that I needed to implement, what skills that I have, and what do I do on a daily basis. Because my old habits, my old way of living is totally, it's not even comparable to the life and what I'm doing daily in this day and age. So you need to find out like what you're doing now, what's going right, what's going wrong, and where you need to come in and see like what new skills and what new habits you need to implement in your life to actually create the dream reality that you want. So that's all it really takes, is like shifting your mindset, is shifting who you are. It's not really a mindset thing, because we all have the same mindset. We all want really good things, but it's all about what actions we're actually taking. That depends on what reality that we're going to be living. So get down, sit down with yourself, be totally honest, look yourself in the mirror and see what you're doing wrong. What vices are you giving into too easily? What habits, what skills do you not have that's holding you back from creating the life that you want? And then shifting from that scarcity NPC mindset into the abundance mindset that you know you can achieve anything that you want as long as you put your mind to it. That'll be able to set you free from where you are now to where you actually want to go. And then number two, coming out and going out to where you want to go. Like for example, one of my students wants to come out here to Thailand, but he's a little bit iffy to make the move. So to actually just come out here, it's very simple. First, you need to find out your why. Why do you want to come out to Thailand? Why do you want to go to Brazil, Switzerland, wherever you want to go? You need to find out why you want to go there. Don't just make a meaningless move for no reason at all, just because someone else is doing it. You need to find a personal reason that's making you want to go to that certain place. Like for example, me coming out here to Bangkok, Thailand, the main reason I wanted to come out here was because I saw tons and tons of successful online entrepreneurs coming out here to Bangkok, Thailand. So I knew if I positioned myself in this group of people that I would be able to succeed and make it to where I wanted to go a lot quicker than just staying in my hometown, being surrounded by people, just going to the gym, smoking weed, partying, and not really doing anything with their lives. So coming out here to surround myself with a lot of people doing a lot better than me would be able to further advance and speed up the process of me getting to where I wanted to go. And then from there, after finding out your why, on like why you want to go to the place that you want to go, you need to find out how. So that just means like going on Google Flights, booking a one-way flight, either 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months in advance, just depending on how much savings you have. Because to be honest, don't do what I do, but I came out here with $1,500 to my name, but I would recommend at least saving $2,000 to $5,000 at least and then going out to wherever you want to go, just so that way you have a little bit of a cushion. You don't have that much stress, because for me, I had so much stress. I mean, I had to fast. I couldn't eat. I couldn't pay my bills. So I would not recommend that. And yeah, number 3 is just making sure you don't just pussy out and go home. Don't just give up whenever an obstacle or a little bit of adversity gets in the way whenever you get to where you want to go, because that's what I've seen from a lot of different people. They went out to where they actually wanted to go. Then things looked like they weren't working out. The money wasn't coming in. The life wasn't where they wanted it to be. And they just gave up, went back home, went back to comfort, and gave up. So don't let that be you. Whenever things get hard, that's when you need to get stronger. That's when you need to find new avenues, new angles to attack whatever you actually want to kind of create. Like for myself, I wanted to make at least $10,000 a month online. And I was willing to stay here until I made that happen. And I made that happen even after a few 4-day fasts, not being able to pay for stuff. I mean, just sticking to it and not giving up is crucial for you finding and creating the genius that's within you. But it's just waiting for that pressure. It's waiting for its back to be pushed against the wall. You just need to burn the boats to see and feel what that actually looks like. And then you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. And then number 3, just cutting off the negative influences, the people trying to hold you back and bringing you back to their level. This is definitely the most hardest part about in this video that I'll be talking about, is just cutting off the people that you thought would be there for a very long time, that would be there and would kind of meet you at the top. But the thing is, a lot of people will be stuck at level 0 for their entire lives, no matter what you do, whatever they do. They're just envious, very jealous, never taking any risk type of people. They're just okay with staying in that comfortable, sucky life that they're living in. And the reality is, they'll never change. So this is just the part where you have to cut off the weeds. You have to cut off the people that are holding you back from achieving your dream life. And of course, this will be the hardest part, because especially for myself, I thought all of my friends back at home, they would be with me until I made it to the top. But the thing is, a lot of people can't take you taking the risk that they were so fearful in taking. So cutting these people off just means going cold turkey, just blocking them. Whenever they show signs of like jealousy or trying to bring you down, putting negative thoughts in your mind, just cut them off. It's the best for you. It's the best for them. So that way they don't see you anymore. They don't start envying you. They don't start preying on your downfall or anything like that. And then on your end, you won't be able to take in that negativity into your account, and you'll just be surrounded by positive people. Because trust me, when you go down the path of creating your dream life, of doing your purpose and chasing your purpose, you'll find people that are on the exact same path as you, and it won't be so lonely. Because for me, it was a little bit lonely at a time, because I had to cut a few people off just because they were holding me back. They were putting negativity in my mind. They were saying I would never make it, and I just had to cut them off in order to kind of let go of the weeds, let go of the people holding me back to actually achieve what I truly wanted. And then I met people that were like, they're my best friends now. I like to call them my brothers out here in Bangkok, Thailand. We're all on the same path. We all have the same motivations. We have a very similar goal in mind, and we all help each other get there. There's no envy. There's no jealousy. There's no one preying on each other's downfall. We all want to see each other win. And that's the beauty of cutting off the bad and letting in the good, is that it's kind of like a Newton's third law. You have to let something go in order to achieve something new. So you can't hold on to these old friends, these negative influences, and still have the positive ones. You need to let go of the negative and embrace the good, embrace the new people in your life. So that way you can ultimately just get to where you want to go a lot quicker. Because if you keep trying to water dead plants, they're still going to be dead. You need to stop watering the dead plants, stop trying and wasting your energy, because like I said earlier, some people never will change. They're stuck at level 0 no matter what you do to try to help them. You could give them $1 million and they'll still be broke by this time next year. So you need to just let go of the people that are never going to change, never going to level up, and just embrace the new people that are welcoming you with open arms and welcoming you to your new life. So with that being said, guys, those are basically the 3 questions I have answered for you guys today. Just make sure to, I'll kind of go over the overview of each question and each answer. So shifting your mindset and shifting your reality is all about changing yourself and becoming something new that's able to attain the reality that you want. Number 2, just going out there, booking a one-way flight. Don't pussy out. Don't go back home when things get hard. And then 3, cutting off the weeds, stop watering dead plants, and you'll find your new friends, new brothers that'll help you get you to where you want to go a lot quicker than the people that are holding you back. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video today. Hope you guys got some insights, and hopefully I helped my student out with this video as well. So if you guys are looking to make $10,000 a month at least anywhere in the world, because to me, I believe that's the bare minimum as men that we should be making in order to create the life of our dreams, to not have to worry about the bills or anything like that, especially if you're living out here in Bangkok, Thailand. I mean, $10,000 a month is like you're balling out of control. And yeah, I mean, if you guys are looking to do that with remote sales, because that's what I do personally, and if you guys have no idea what that is, I just help big influencers take calls, because I mean, with these big influencers, they have hundreds of thousands of people trying to buy their mentorships, courses, whatever it may be, and they're only one person. So they need remote sales reps like you and I to help them take calls and close deals, and then we get 10%, 15% of the commission closed from that deal. So if right now I'm closing for a $10,000, $12,000 product for like a trading offer. So every deal I close, I get around 1,000, 1,200. So 3 to 4 calls a day. I mean, close 2 to 3 deals a day. I mean, you guys can kind of do the math there. But if you guys do want to do that for yourself, just click the link down below, book a call with me. I can see if you'd be a good fit for remote sales. And I do have a free guide that will be right there. So you guys can go ahead and click that, watch that, and get some free value right there. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the video today. That's some nasty coffee, guys. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Have a blessed day. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.